Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be diving into the Instacoin deposit feature that Hive Markets offer. And so if you log into the Hive Markets back office, you'll be brought to a screen like this. You'll click deposit and you will click Bitcoin via Instacoins, and you will select whether USD, Euro, or GBP. So we'll say USD, and the amount to deposit, and this is in USD. So say I wanted to deposit $200 in USD, and then you will click this link, redirect me to the payments page, and it will actually send you an email back to the email that you used to sign up for Hive Markets, and it's going to say please click the link below to complete your deposit. And so when you say complete my deposit, it will bring you to the Instacoin account creation. And so if this is your first time using Instacoins, then you are going to create an account. So once you fill in all the information, guys, you are going to click I have read and accept terms and conditions and create an account. And once you come to this page, guys, you are going to just finalize those final things. You can buy this with a credit card or bank wire transfer. So we'll say this and we can say buy this now, and it will bring you to the final payment page. And so you can fill in your credit card information and then hit pay now. And so once you hit pay now, that $200 will pop up in your Hive Markets account, and then you'll be able to do the internal transfer from wallet to MetaTrader, and then whether you got USD, Euro, GBP, you can take USD, transfer it to the corresponding account, and request that transfer, and you should be good. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for your time today, guys, and hopefully you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. Bye.